I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glider plane. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need lightweight items like balsa wood or foam board, which are excellent for flight. Also, have your craft knife, a ruler, and some strong, quick-drying adhesive ready. Choosing the right design is crucial for a stable flight, so consider a wingspan of about 12 inches for good lift. Next, we'll focus on the wings, which are vital for lift. Carefully cut 2 identical wing sections, aiming for perfectly smooth edges. Shaping the leading edge with a gentle curve, known as an airfoil, will help your glider catch the air more effectively. When attaching them to the fuselage, give them a slight upward V shape, or dihedral, of about 5 degrees for better stability during flight. Now, let's build the fuselage, the backbone of your glider. It needs to be perfectly straight and rigid, typically around 10 to 12 inches long. Then, cut out your horizontal stabilizer and vertical fin. These are essential for steering and keeping your glider flying true. Securely attach these tail components to the very back of the fuselage, ensuring they are perfectly aligned for optimal performance. Finally, balancing your glider is key for a successful flight. Find the center of gravity, usually about 1/3 of the way back from the wing's leading edge. You might need to add a small amount of weight, perhaps a 1/4 ounce, to the nose or tail to achieve perfect balance. Then, take your glider to a calm, open area for its first test flight, making tiny adjustments until it soars smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.